Adri from all the Amalfi Coast, and today on Mangia Monday, we are going to be making an easy but oh so delicioso pumpkin streusel bread. Come on, let's get started.
1 cup of pumpkin puree. There's a recipe for it on the blog.
2 eggs.
1/4 cup of water. 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil and 1/3 of a cup of honey. Use the same measuring cup so the honey won't stick. 2 teaspoons real vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda. 2 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Streusel topping, you will need 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts and 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter broken into little pieces. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup sugar in the raw.
In a pre-greased loaf pan, you're going to add your pumpkin bread mix. Okay, and on top of your top, you're going to add your streusel topping. As you can see, some of it's missing from my cameraman. Okay, now it's time to bake. Okay, now we're gonna check and see if it's ready. It looks ready, let's try it. It's clean, it's ready. It's the moment of truth, let's see if it comes out without slipping. I think we lost some of the streusel topping. Beautiful. Now we're going to let it cool for about 30 minutes. Now that it's cool, it's time for my favorite part, taste testing. Let's cut into this bread. It's so moist. Buon appetito!